Will you wait for me at the top?
If I get there. After cycling every day for 10 days, you are a good cyclist. You learn fast.
Come on, you can do it.
Come on, little terrapin, you can get it there. No cars, just dragonflies.
Very nice. Yes, lonely rock. A sad, lonely rock. How are you? You good?
Very good, yes.
Yes. It's a nice tree.
It
That's a
is.
half tree. This tree is called, again?
Lumpy bumpy.
Lumpy Bumpy. It's a little roller coaster, right?
Yes, it is. Three little hills.
And it's by the lake, as you said.
Very scenic.
Elevation and
Small.
that's what I'm looking for
Yes,
today.
yes.
My muscles need it. Shall we do it?
Yes, let's go.
It's a nice weather though.
It is beautiful weather.
And this walk called in English?
In English, it's called Lover's Walk.
Lover's Walk. Sevgi yolu. I love it here.
I've always loved this little bit.
I see the sheep over there.
Yes.
So
There is sometimes a big kangal here, but very friendly.
the Kangal is a Turkish shepherd, dog,
Yes.
right?
The top is covered in what we call fossilized shells.
Okay.
Really old shells, so it must at one point have been, well, you think, may have been underwater at one point.
Long time ago.
Where did they come from?
That's the question.
Big mystery.
Yes. Lonely rock. A sad, lonely rock. Okay. This is the hotel with no name now.
Yes,
It used to be like a Kashmir hotel now.
like a boutique hotel.
Boutique hotel, right?
Yes. Kavakarasi this way.
Kavakarası. Which way we're gonna
We're
go?
going to go towards Kavakarasi
Okay.
because the only time I've done Nasudedi, I've managed to get lost. It isn't an easy route.
Yeah.
And we're going to do Kavakarasi so we can go over the little blue bridge to do. Sometimes you go and it's lots of water and other times none. So
Okay, let's do it. It's beautiful here. There's no, actually without the boats,
yes.
there's no sound. I like your bike.
Thank you.
There used to be
there's-
lots of water, right? Running
There's
here.
normally quite a bit of water at this end.
Will you take me where the normally water joins to the lake?
Yes.
Cool, cool. Let's go then. Look at this engineering.
Yes.
One pole comes from the tree, some wires
Wires
from,
from the
this
tree.
tree. I know you have a bike shop.
We do. We have a bike shop in England
Yes.
with no bikes at the moment because you can't get bikes for anything. They're
You must
very
have-
short supply.
You must have sold out everything.
Yes,
Must be rich now.
Oh, I wish. And the nice thing is that a lot of the trails have already been set out for us, and
Yeah.
then we go off exploring and we add little bits to them. Like today, I'm adding new bits to this
Yeah.
because we are going slightly off what would be the normal route. But why not? It
Why
makes
not?
it more fun.
It's more fun.
It's 4 years ago since we cycled from Sunderland.
From Sunderland to here,
Yes,
to Dalyan.
to
I
Dalyan,
remember in Dalyan,
yes.
people coming from Sunderland
Yes.
with bicycle. What?
Yes,
Are you crazy?
we were crazy. Yes, this is the place to have your coffee shop by the lake.
Just to be by the lake.
Just down there.
Who do you think I should speak? Maybe Mayor?
Yes.
Do you think he will listen?
Give him one of your milkshakes, then he'll say yes.
That's a good idea.
Oh,
Woo! Another climb.
I forgot about this
You didn't
one.
tell me this one coming.
No.
Will you wait for me at the top?
If I get there.
Woo!
Depends if my wheels slide out. You can see Kyrgyz in the distance and hammock toys.
What else, man? And the sweat on my face after
And
this
mine.
last kilometer hill.
I sneaked that one in, didn't I?
We end up here at your house.
Yes.
This is your beautiful house. This is your beautiful pool. And this is your beautiful husband.
With long hair now.
Yes, I noticed. Kolay gelsin. Carol, thank you very much. It was a great tour.
It was a great tour, longer than we thought.
Yes.
Just a
but,
bit.
But it was absolutely,
enjoyable.
yeah, I had so much fun. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
See you
And
later.
see you next time.
Yes, see you
Okay.
next time.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Woo. Bye bye, doggy. Bye bye, lumpy bumpy.
Bye.
Bye, dragonfly. Dragonfly. Helikopter. Olabilir mi?
Helicopter, yes, same name.
Uyuşmaya niyetin yok.